This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous appellation of the Loire Valley that makes some delicious cabernet Franc red wines in the Loire. I had the opportunity to tour Bourgueil for a while. They have fantastic underground limestone cellars there. I had the opportunity to taste a phenomenal lineup of wines, vertical wines up to vintage 1911, and I can tell you those wines age fantastically well. I visited Lamé de l'Île Boucard, phenomenal producer that makes some delicious wines, and also had the opportunity to visit the Domaine des Ouches, very friendly vignerons that makes also some delicious wines. So fantastic wines made in Bourgueil. To the point, how do we go about pronouncing the name of this appellation? Bourgueil. Bourgueil. The typical French pronunciation, Bourgueil. Bourgueil. But it'd be fine in English or American to say Bourgueil. Bourgueil, the Cabernet Franc wines of Bourgueil. Bourgueil. I hope this video was useful. Here is a video showing you how the Loire Valley looks like in my tour of the Loire Valley. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.